Hi, my name is Atri Chakraborty from Express Computer. Today we are in Hyderabad at the 5th edition of the Technology Summit South, and we have a very special guest with us, Mr. Tarun Guntha from Barco. First of all, thank you so much for joining us today. We welcome you at the Technology Summit South.
Thank you for having us.
Yeah, my first question to you is, what is the key takeaway from today, the 2 days event that we had? So, what is your key takeaway from this event?
Okay, this event gave us an exposure of meeting the industry leaders of diversified sectors. The event was not limited to only IT, but manufacturing, healthcare, production, and many more. So, this was one platform where we exchange ideas, share our thoughts, get some thoughts from that side, meet various participants in the same ecosystem that we are performing, and that is the biggest takeaway for us.
Absolutely. If I may ask you, what is your go to market strategy for the next 1 year, or maybe the roadmap if you can talk about it?
Okay, so if you see Barco from the inception, we started as a radio manufacturing company because our name stands for Belgium American Radio Corporation. Since then, we moved out towards the innovation, coming into the visualization where we started making laser projectors, control room devices, healthcare devices, click share solutions for conferencing and video conferencing conference rooms. So we have come a long way, and now on top of that, we have added software as a product to our offering. Um, so in terms of uh, our offering to the customers, we have diversified. In terms of the go-to-market strategy, we are always connected to our customers. That is the way we want to keep it connected to our customers, connected to our partners, and creating an ecosystem where everybody makes business profit. We are providing products which are sustainable, uh, make our contribution towards the planet Earth, make it profitable for each of all of us. And the biggest factor which Barco provides is the reliability factor. A customer which uses Barco product stays as a customer of Barco largely because of the reliability factor, the trust that we bring into our customer, the commitment that we put in as in the services that we provide, and we want to keep it in that way. Apart from that, reaching out directly to the customers, we also engage through other modes of approach such as social media, broadcasting, similar events, which we wanted to continue so that our reach to the customer is always on through all the channels. That is what would be our response to the go-to-market strategy.
Absolutely brilliant to hear that. Lastly, that I would like to know about you is that you see a lot of gap in the industry. So, what are the gaps that you see in your particular domain, and how are you channelizing those gaps? To make the most out of it.
Okay. So, particularly the business that I represent something called as Barco Control Rooms. We are predominantly working on the strategic areas, or we call it also the mission control areas, where single failure of one of our infrastructure products services could have fatalities, and the consequences could be losses in revenue, and other consequences could be losses in life. So, in terms of the product, we wanted to create the products which are robust, reliable, and which stays for a longer duration. Plus, we also have to ensure that we are innovating. We are staying in touch with the recent market needs and the future market needs. Today's date, when we see the control room business, it is not limited to one place. It is not limited to the boundaries. So we are bringing everything through connected to the what do you say, IP, or the Internet of Things. Now, while doing this, yes, we want to have a faster adoption. One of the concern what we see is a slow adoption of AV over IP. That is one thing which we are looking into. Plus, our customers are also looking into an ecosystem where they have one OEM which provides them multiple kind of services. So, control room is one of them. IP KVM is one of them, which we have now integrated into our services. Software is one of the areas which is also something which we have already integrated. Plus the demand as we speak to the customers here in this platform or as well as in various other platform, we realized that the one-stop solution which can provide everything to the customer is something which is looked out. So the highlight would be one, we are looking at slow adoption, which we wanted to fasten by bringing more and more product and solutions so the acceptability increases, and creating the trust which is already there to maintain that. That is what we are looking into.
Absolutely a pleasure in talking to you. Thank you so much for talking to us even. And, we look forward to more such collaboration with you. And thank you for partnering with us.